A 35-year-old designer property. 1 basement and 3 floors above ground. An overall dated impression. Tour refined, open space, IMECHEN highest? 16.6 million yen.
Hi, this is Takita from IMECHEN. Today, we've completed a new IMECHEN renovation in Setagayaku, Tokyo, so I'd like to introduce the property together with Mr. Tomono from IMECHEN Suginami. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
First of all, could you give us a brief overview of this property?
Yes, the building has a total area of 199 square meters, with 1 basement level and 3 floors above ground.
And how old is the building?
It was completed in 1990, so it's about 35 years old.
Got it, thank you. Could you tell us about the client and the purpose behind it?
This property was recently purchased by an individual who intends to renovate it and then offer it as a rental property for tenants.
199 square meters is quite large for a house. Usually, such a property might be used for one's own residence. But in this case, it's intended for rental. I heard the work done here was quite extensive. So I'd love for you to show us what kind of renovations were done. I'm looking forward to seeing the property.
It was a very rewarding project.
Thank you. Let's take a look around the rooms.
Absolutely.
Mr. Tomono. Let's start with the room introductions. This floor we're standing on right now. What level is it?
This is the living, dining, kitchen area on the 2nd floor above ground.
What kind of work was done in this room?
Originally, there was old flooring here, and the kitchen was an L-shaped layout. This time, we changed it to a 2-row kitchen layout.
I see, so the kitchen was originally L-shaped. Also, the wall in front gave a bit of a closed-in feeling, didn't it?
Yes, there was a dropped ceiling, so we removed it and relocated the wiring inside to create a layout where you can see across the living area from the kitchen.
Shall we take a look at the kitchen first? There's a black accent wall here. It looks like there's a kitchen sink behind it. And there's a separate gas stove on the other side. So, this 2-row kitchen layout has the sink on one side and the gas stove on the other. Originally, the sink was on the window side, wasn't it?
Yes, that's right.
When redesigning the kitchen to create a face-to-face layout, many people typically opt for an island kitchen for its open and versatile design, a peninsula kitchen to maximize space efficiency, or even a wall-mounted I-shaped kitchen strategically positioned to face the living area. But in this case, the space and passageway width were limited, and there were also duct restrictions, right?
Yes, we also changed the duct position this time.
Previously, the duct vented out the back side, but to bring it inward required building a completely new duct route. So, we adopted the 2-row kitchen layout here, which opens up the space in front. I imagine there were difficulties with the plumbing in this area as well. Could you talk a little bit about that point?
Yes, originally the water supply and drainage pipes were on the wall side, so we had to change their positions. To conceal the plumbing pipes effectively, we constructed a compact new wall specifically for this purpose. Then covered it with kitchen panels to blend seamlessly with the kitchen aesthetic.
Thank you. At first, since there were no original construction drawings, we assumed the water supply and hot water pipes rose from the floor, and proceeded with the plan based on that. But in reality, they came out from the wall below the window. The water supply, hot water, and drainage pipes were coming out from the wall near the window, right?
That's right.
Usually, when drainage pipes emerge from the wall at a height above the existing floor level, it becomes necessary to implement one of 2 solutions to conceal them effectively. You would either need to elevate a section of the floor, or extend the wall forward by constructing an additional layer. This time, as we're looking at the kitchen from the front, you can see that there is a small black wall on the side. About 15 centimeters thick, right? We extended this section of the wall forward, concealing the plumbing pipes within it. and they're connected to the kitchen sink through this wall. That must have been quite a challenging point.
Yes, it was quite a challenge.
Also, I recall there was also some trouble with the wall when dismantling it. Could you tell us about that as well?
Yes, during the demolition process, we encountered unexpected electrical wiring. It took us a while to figure out where the wire was coming from, and reconnecting it properly was also tricky. So it took a fair amount of time and effort to complete the work.
Thank you. Originally, there was a partition wall with vertical electrical conduit pipes running through it, serving as a critical pathway for the wiring that connected the third floor to the first floor, right?
Exactly.
So at the time of the original construction, it was advantageous that these electrical conduit pipes were hidden inside the wall. But to achieve the open and spacious layout, those pipes became an obstacle. So, to address this, we relocated them into the newly constructed wall.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Additionally, since the sides of the new wall are fully covered with sleek kitchen panels, it ensures that the surface is easy to clean and maintain. Which product did you use for the kitchen this time?
The kitchen is from Lexel. Specifically the Sierra S model, configured as a 2-row kitchen.
And this space behind? Could you explain it?
We added movable shelves here, considering workflow and storage capacity. It enhances storage capability.
Thank you. And this recessed space next to the gas stove is for the refrigerator, right?
Yes.
On the other side, there is an adjustable shelf. And this is the space where you can store home appliances.
We also added electrical outlets to improve usability.
Yes, thank you. Further back, on both the right and left, there are large capacity shelves. Is this space designed to serve as a pantry room?
Yes, it's designed to function as a spacious pantry.
It perfectly suited for extensive storage purposes. What kind of space was this originally?
Originally, this area was designed as a storage space, equipped with shelving units and cabinets fitted with doors.
Yes, I recall that there was something like a cupboard installed on this side.
That's right.
I remember now, when I joined you for the site survey, there was a laundry pan here, wasn't there?
Yes, there was. We relocated it.
Oh, so it was relocated. Now, it became a large kitchen storage area. And there's a door here. Where does it lead?
It leads to the staircase.
I see, this door connects directly to the staircase landing. Additionally, this other door leads back into the living room, allowing you to seamlessly re-enter the living area from this point. The thoughtful design of this circulatory flow ensures smooth and efficient movement throughout the space.
Exactly.
Originally, we considered eliminating the store, but keeping it allows someone carrying groceries upstairs to go directly into the kitchen and pantry. We thought it would be better to have a flow that would allow you to go straight to the kitchen without passing through the living room, so we decided to keep the door and replace them with new ones.
Yes, that's right.
By the way, this door looks stylish. Which product is it?
It's Panasonic's Veritas.
Is it a craft label? Not a standard label?
Yes, it's one level higher.
Thank you. We're back in the living area now. I see that this wall features striking accent wallpaper, adding a distinctive touch to the space. The overall color scheme here is built around a stylish mix of black or dark gray combined with white, isn't it?
Yes, actually the black parts are painted, not wallpapers.
Painted, I see. What was the original material?
It was originally an exposed concrete wall.
So this was originally bare concrete walls?
Yes, but with some stains. So painting it black helped hide those stains and gave it a polished look. If the concrete had been in good condition, we might have left it as is. But this time the condition wasn't so good in some areas, so we decided to finish it with paint.
Thank you. This site also has some painted areas, black and white. And what about the flooring in this space?
The flooring consists of square gray floor tiles designed with a sophisticated stone-like pattern.
Typically, many people prefer wood-look flooring for its warm and classic appeal, but given that we chose a sleek, monotone aesthetic for this renovation, These stone pattern tiles perfectly complement the overall design, enhancing the stylish and cohesive atmosphere of the room.
Thank you.
Shall we go and take a look at the other rooms now? Let's go. What is that door over there?
That's one of the 3 toilets in the house, located on the 2nd floor.
I see. You did some work in here, right?
Yes, the toilet was showing signs of age and was somewhat outdated, so we upgraded it by replacing the shower head component and installed a new bidet seat to enhance both functionality and user comfort.
Thank you. Did you also replace the toilet paper holder?
Yes.
One wall is finished with accent wallpaper, and the rest reused the existing materials to keep costs down. Thank you. The staircase looks cool too. What kind of construction did you do this time?
It originally had carpeting,
I see.
so we removed it, applied vinyl sheeting, and installed non-slip treads for safety. Finding non-slip treads with the required 1.1 millimeter thickness was challenging, but we managed, and we sealed everything to eliminate the carpeted look. Now, when viewed from below or from the side, it doesn't look like there was ever carpet anymore.
Thank you. I just remembered that there were carpeted stairs when I was investigating the site. But now, I think it looks completely transformed, very stylishly done. Usually, this non-slip material is L-shaped. So there's always a concern about the edges sticking out, but they fit perfectly here.
Thank you. The spiral staircase was originally white, but painting it black created a cohesive look.
Yes, the gray and black tones give it a stylish feel. Let's head up to the 3rd floor.
Sure.
We climbed the spiral staircase, and there are rooms on both sides.
Yes.
And what kind of work has been done to this room?
Well, this was originally a Western-style room. We replaced all the wallpaper, changed the flooring to floor tiles, and replaced the baseboards as well.
Thank you. This space was already here, right? The area under the roof.
Yes.
You also changed the lighting in the back.
Yes, we replaced the old trough-style lighting with new fixtures.
Thank you. Now, the other room. Is this room similar to the one we just saw?
Originally, this room had storage, but we removed it all to make the room larger. However, we couldn't remove the structural pillar, so we left it and finished the room around it.
So, the pillar was exposed during demolition and had to stay. But you made the rest of the space open.
Exactly.
I also noticed that there is an electrical outlet here.
Yes, there aren't many electrical outlets, so we wanted to add more. We considered how to place them, and decided to make them facing sideways, which gives a subtle feel.
When we were demolishing the wall here, there was a gap between the pillar and the ceiling. Also, there was an existing wiring there. So we decided to use that and install a small outlet. It's better to have it than not, right?
Yes, it is.
So, the rooms mostly had surface renovations?
Yes.
We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description.
Let's head downstairs now.
Yes, please.
It's spacious. Easy to lose track of where we are. This might be the largest property I've worked on with IMECHEN. By the way, I noticed the lighting in the staircase area. Have you replaced the lighting here as well?
Yes, we changed it to a bracket light.
Thank you. It has a warm feel.
So, we're on the 1st floor now.
This is where we come out on the 1st floor. What about the flooring here?
Originally, it had artificial marble, and we considered keeping it. But it felt out of place with the rest of the renovations, so we replaced it to maintain consistency.
Yes, the taste was a little different.
So after discussing it with headquarters, we decided to unify the look.
Thank you.
The shoe cabinet was finished with Dinox sheet.
On the left, is that another bathroom?
Yes,
Have you replaced the bidet seat?
yes, it's the same as the floor above.
Thank you. You also replaced the electrical panel, right?
Yes, we switched it to a residential panel which can handle a lot of circuits.
I remember the old one was a quite bulky unit installed there.
Yes, originally it had a commercial panel.
Since the property is now primarily intended for residential use, you replaced it with a residential panel.
Right.
Thank you. Now, this is a Western-style room on the first floor. What kind of construction was done here?
There was a closet in the back, but we decided to remove it to open up the room. And then added some accent wallpaper to give a stylish look.
The room felt somewhat cramped originally, but by taking out the closet, we significantly expanded the space. What about the air conditioner?
We replaced it because it was really old.
The window frames look much nicer now too.
Yes, we applied Dinox sheets to all the window frames to give them a fresh, modern finish.
Thank you.
Let's move on to the garage area now.
Sure. So this is the garage attached to the first floor. And this entrance door is steel, right?
That's right. We changed it from purple to black to match the monotone theme throughout.
Oh yes, it was originally purple, wasn't it? So this time the whole house was unified in a monotone color scheme. And this garage space, it's quite spacious.
Yes, originally there was some storage at the back, but we removed it to make the entire space more open. We also replaced the lighting fixtures and repainted everything. Even the garage shutter, which was originally white, to black to enhance the unified monotone design.
So, it's all tied together beautifully in this monotone theme. Thank you.
Now, I'll show you to the basement room. In addition to the Western-style room, the basement also has a bathroom.
I see, let's take a look. The staircase here has also been updated.
Yes, the stairwell walls used to be bare concrete, but we painted them black.
It looks really sharp now. The landing area here was also exposed concrete originally?
That's right, we changed it to black as well. And we've installed a double door here.
Nice. The basement feels really cool, doesn't it?
It sure does. On the right side, there used to be an old storage closet, but we removed all of that and redesigned the space to create a spacious, unified room with a cohesive look.
I see. And the wall lights here look new too.
Yes, we replaced the outdated ones with new fixtures. We also changed the wallpaper on the ceiling to a wood grain style.
Right, I remember the owner was concerned about the air conditioner being installed too low.
Exactly. So at their request, we raised the position of the indoor unit.
Thank you.
The basement is a really cool and comfortable place.
Yes, though since it's a basement, the original floor condition wasn't great, was it?
No, it wasn't. So we removed everything old, rebuilt the foundation, and finished it with new materials.
Thank you. Could you show us the bathroom area as well?
Of course.
Wow, this is impressive. A double sink setup.
Yes, indeed. It's not common to see double sinks like this. We custom built this vanity. And the mirrors have LED lighting, which is a trendy design.
Right next to it is the washing machine space. This is the laundry pan we mentioned earlier from the second floor kitchen, which you relocated here, right?
Yes, we moved it to the first floor.
Thank you. So, originally, this area had a full-length vanity from end to end.
Yes, it was a full-size vanity with storage. We dismantled it all and replaced it with movable shelves for greater flexibility.
So, on the right, we have the custom-built double sink vanity alongside the washing machine space.
Exactly.
Honestly, Having a washing machine in the kitchen wouldn't have been very practical for doing laundry, would it?
No, it would have been inconvenient, especially with no balcony nearby.
So, placing the washing machine in this combined bathroom and laundry area makes for a much better flow. The movable shelves at the back. There are 2 rows now. Originally this was a closed cabinet, right?
Yes, we removed the old closet doors and made open shelves. We could add doors, but leaving it open helps with cost saving, and baskets can be used for storage without making it look messy.
Right. And is there a toilet here?
Yes, there was already a toilet here. We just updated the finishes and cleaned the existing unit, since it was still in good working order.
So you reused the original toilet to keep costs down. Thank you. And just in front is the bathroom, right?
Yes.
Wow, it's quite spacious.
Yes, it was originally a 16/18 size unit, but since there was extra space on the side, we upgraded to a 16/20 size unit.
I recall there was a mysterious inspection door, like a dead space, next to the unit bath entrance.
Yes, exactly.
Since that space had no practical use and there was ample room in this area, you installed a unit bath one size larger than the original, which really enhances the space.
Yes, it feels quite luxurious.
It's rare to find a bathroom with such a large washing area.
Right.
Thank you so much for showing us around.
Thank you.
Now, could you tell us the renovation cost?
Yes, it came to 16.6 million yen including tax.
16.6 million yen including tax. That might be the most expensive project in IMECHEN history. Possibly the largest too. This time, the interior was completely renovated, covering 199 square meters. But you also did some exterior renovations, right?
Yes, we painted the exterior walls and roof.
So, you painted the entire exterior and the roof, and set up scaffolding for that, correct?
That's right.
Thank you. So essentially, it was a complete renovation of all surfaces. With the layout reconfigured around the kitchen, upgraded the bathroom areas, and replaced plumbing where possible. All for a total of 16.6 million yen. Thank you. By the way, the IMECHEN Suginami store has joined us this year in 2025. And this is your first appearance on our YouTube channel. Since some viewers may be seeing you for the first time, could you please provide a brief introduction to your company, and share a bit about the types of projects and services you specialize in?
Certainly. Our company is a corporation that has been in operation for 37 years. Since its founding in 1987, we proudly joined IMECHEN in February of this year, with the goal of transforming not only properties but also our own life journey. And it's been a rewarding experience so far.
That's fantastic to hear. Thank you.
While renovation is our specialty, we also handle new construction and civil engineering work. So if there's anything we can help with, please feel free to reach out.
Thank you. Your company's office is located in Suginami Ward, right? Could you tell us more about the geographical areas you serve?
Yes, we serve the entire Tokyo, and we extend our services to the neighboring regions of Kanagawa, Saitama, and the parts of Chiba close to Tokyo.
So quite a wide area then. Thank you. So, with IMECHEN Suginami joining us this year, we look forward to seeing even more of their great work. If anyone would like to request IMECHEN Suginami specifically, please don't hesitate to contact IMECHEN. Thank you very much for today.
Thank you.
Oh no.
Thank you for watching today. If you do not yet have the IMECHEN brochure, it's available for download from our website. There's a link in the video's description. Additionally, we have a separate YouTube channel called The Backside of IMECHEN, where we share behind-the-scenes footage of our shoots and casual discussions with our affiliated shops. We'd love for you to check that out as well. Thank you for watching until the end.